who is an architect, spent a lot of time trying to find a system that would go with her windows. That wasn't easy. Most of the windows here are 1600 by 1600, and she wanted a product that was without mid-rails, that was nice and simplistic, that went in with her architraves, and also being a 100-year-old Queenslander, that would fit nicely in the home. So the key requirements that the customer wanted was to make sure that everything was easy to clean, which the hinged windows certainly are. You can open the windows from internally, not only clean the screens but also clean the windows, and obviously with the doors, they can be easily cleaned as well. So the standout features in this particular job was the fact that these windows are quite large. They're 1600 by 1600, and we don't have to use any mid-rails or mullions at all, which gives us unobstructed views and also maximises the airflow. So there was a few technical difficulties with the installation, as you can imagine, on a over 100-year-old Queenslander. But it's just a matter of experience and you know, taking your time and working through these issues. Obviously, some of the doors are a little bit out of square, but it is always good to have a challenge. The client selected the Prowler Proof force fill product. We used hinged doors over the existing French doors for full coverage, and also we used the Prowler Proof hinge window system. The security features that we've used on the Prowler Proof force fill products, the hinge doors are all 3-point Lockwood triple locks, and they're also within a aluminium frame extender, which strengthens up the doors. Also, the hinge window systems are an 8-point locking system, which is all operated by one single handle. Customers' key requirements for the project were to maximise the airflow for the house, obviously offering the best security that's on the market, and also making sure that aesthetically all the windows fit in well with the new renovation.